This is the fruits of my labor. This is the fruits of having a 4-day weekend. I took 2 days off from my job and was working on this. I had the head for like forever. I made weeks ago. What I thought was really interesting that I saw on Pinterest was how like some articulation doll movements. So what I did was I just did some articulation with her. So it's nothing like super fancy. I was also too lazy to actually make boobs for this doll, so I literally stuffed her shirt. That's sad. And I haven't really decided an expression for her yet. That's why you see a blank face. I don't know if I'll just do a simple smile, but I did do the same thing with the articulation with the arms, which I think is really neat. And for this, I use a slightly thinner yarn because most of the yarn used here is this Red Heart Super Saver yarn by Red Heart, duh. But I used like a crochet thread for the hands, and of course, like what I usually do with most of my dolls is I usually just use acrylic paint, water it down, and paint the skin. The eyes are painted on, and the outfit itself I did not make, of course. My sewing skills is not on that level. I actually bought it off of eBay. It's for ball jointed dolls. Scale is 1/3. And here you've got another like ball jointed doll type of accessory. It's a little MacBook. It's really cute, really inexpensive. Oh my gosh, my bed. Oh my gosh, it's me. Like my phone case. Okay, stop. And yes, I actually really like how this one came out. So much so I thought, hey, I'm gonna make a little video about it. Now of course our head's a little very heavy. So just put pigtails in her hair because again, I don't really know what hairstyle I really wanted to finish her off with. She is guess we could just call her like a Tomoe mommy kind of cosplayer, where she didn't really do all of this stuff. The outfit from eBay does come with a hat. I just neglected to put it on. But yes, say goodbye. Okay, girl, don't type goodbye. We're not anti-social here. Oh, wait, maybe she is because she doesn't have a mouth. Bad doll jokes.